Scientific studies have repeatedly found that explicit systematic phonics instruction is the most effective way to teach children how to read. It is effective because it helps teach children how letters represent sounds and blends, so they can start sounding out words phonetically. It uses the proper expected sound of each letter or letter symbol to piece together an unfamiliar word. Phonics is the best way to teach children how to read because it teaches them what letters represent, as against using the whole language technique, which uses the recognition of a word in its entirety. At Tutera Kids, we provide phonetic reading lessons that are more systematic and provide explicit instruction that helps students understand key aspects of the word, such as how letters represent sounds, and we provide instructions that will help you relay this to your children. You will have access to a teaching manual, lesson plan, phonic sounds, rhymes, common sight words, flashcards, bingo games, and much more, which are available on our website. These materials are designed from proven techniques by our certified, experienced, and knowledgeable tutors that will surely provide excellent outcomes for your children. You can purchase and download the materials through our website, and we will provide online support anytime in any case you have doubts about the materials. You can also check our various customized online courses optimally created for your kids' learning style on our website.